VASCO Luggage Organizer Packing Cube Sets. The set of 3 compression packing cubes is optimized for backpacks and luggage bags. Genuine compression allows you to reduce consumed luggage space down by 60% without any extra tools. VASCO Toiletry Bag is your perfect companion in travel and in the gym for men and women. Specially designed hook that rotates to 360 degrees will allow you to place the bag anywhere you need, including small bathrooms. With the VASCO Toiletry Bag, you will never forget any toiletry again and will easily find anything you need. Special waterproof compartment that protects the rest of the contents from accidents like perfume leaking out. Electronic organizer helps you keep your luggage space tidy, hold your gadgets securely in place, such that they are well separated from each other for a scratch-free storage. With VASCO, ensures that you can fetch anything that you need instantly without having to overturn your entire suitcase. No more packing your shoes in a plastic grocery bag or a cheap drawstring that doesn't allow your shoes to breathe. Optimal dimensions allow you to carry shoes of various size. The perfect organizer that will help you store all your documents, tickets, and credit cards in your travels. Water-resistant coating will keep your clothes safe from damp weather or spilled liquids. The zippers used in the VASCO set go through quality control, ensuring they won't end up stuck or broken. All bags easily fit in the packing bag. Extra stitching in the vulnerable spots prevents tearing even when the bag is overpacked. Extra attention to fine details will make VASCO your regular companion. The quality and design of our materials offer perfect balance between reliability and ergonomics. VASCO, convenient travel.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you've tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet.